How to log in to Verizon Wireless. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Verizon Wireless account. Verizon Communications is an American wireless network operator which serves countries worldwide and nearly all of the Fortune 500 countries. Here's how you can log into your Verizon Wireless account. First of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, type in verizon.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter key to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Verizon Wireless. Once you reach to this page, you will be able to locate the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. Once you locate it, simply click on it and then a pop-up will appear here. Now from here you will need to select any of these topics based on your preference. Here I am selecting account overview. If you would like to pay the bill or make one-time payment, you can select based on your preference. Now select the account overview option and simply by doing that you will be able to reach to this page. Here now you will be able to see the login interface. In this text box right here, you will need to enter the user ID or the 10-digit Verizon mobile number. Once after entering it, you will need to click on this continue button right here. If in case you don't remember your user ID, you may also click on this forgot user ID or password link, and from there you can follow the instructions in order to recover or retrieve it. And once after doing that, enter the correct number in this field and then click on this continue button right here. After that, you will be prompted to enter your password. If you forgot your password, you'll also be able to click on this link to recover them. Also, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, then you will get a verification code via text or email. You will need to enter the code in the given field and then click on the continue or login button. After doing that, you will be able to log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will be able to manage your account now. So this is how you can log into your Verizon Wireless account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.